Today is Easter, and I got this for Easter. The Super Colossal Tyrannosaurs Rex. This is for Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. By the looks, it's a lot better than the original version. So I'm going to cut it open, see how it is. This may take a while. Okay, I cut all the strings and tape. Now let's open it. Oh, dang it, I ripped it. Okay, now let's open this up. Yeah, never mind. Okay, I took all the tape and string off. I accidentally broke the box. I want to save it because this is a good background for a stop motion movie for Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom or any other video. Now let's open. Might be something else. Oh, there's its butt. No! There's another string. I got that out of the way. There's another string. Okay, I finally got it out of the box, but sadly I had to damage it a little bit. But anyways, I got it together. It was a bit of a struggle to get it together because they don't really leave any directions on how to put it, the foot and the tail and the belly or butt, whatever, on. But I figured it out eventually. Now let's have a look. So, here's a mouth. The tongue is kind of squishy. And it's like a tube in air. This is a type of rubber. The arms are flexible. The head can actually open. And as you all know, the Colossal T-Rex can swallow figures. And we already showed the arms. The legs, this leg's the hardest thing to put on the T-Rex, so I recommend to get help for that if you're a child. And then we have the flexible legs. You can actually do the split, I think. But that's already kind of painful. Yeah. And we have the tail, which is actually rubber. This dinosaur is so fierce, but it's not as fierce as the Tyrannosaurus Harley. Okay, so I got 50 animal figures here, and let's see how many it can eat. Okay, let's open up that mouth. Now let's start with the animal figures. White tiger. Going on in. Okay, let's go. Brachiosaurus, baby. I'm not sure what you call baby brachiosaurus. A frilled lizard. Kind of looks like a Dilophosaurus from Jurassic Park. Have the baby Spinosaurus. I think you call it Spinosaurus chick. I don't know. A Dimorphodon. I can't say the word, but this is the Dimorphodon. Dimorphodon. I think that's how you say it. It says it under here. Ooh. Another Spinosaurus baby. A cheetah. I forgot what this is. 1 second. An Arsinotherium. An Arsinotherium. I think that is. Dilophosaurs. A Plesiosaurus. Mr. T-Rex says, please, for the Plesiosaurs. Woo! Baby Stegosaurus. Maybe called a calf. Eagle, America. I think this is like a spider monkey or howler monkey. Die. Baby baby Triceratops. Almost said Stegotops. Pachycephalosaurus is going to headbutt the T-Rex now. Ooh. Well, that failed. Dilophosaurus. Ooh. I forgot what this is called. It doesn't say on the bottom, so I'm just going to call it baby Triceratops for now. Patasaurs. It's kind of gathering in its stomach. Yeah, they're famously known as a It's supposed to be a pteranodon, I think, but it's more known as a pterodactyl. It kind of looks more like a pterodactyl than a pteranodon, so it's going to be the more famously known by name, pterodactyl. Pachycephalosaurus headbutts, but failed. Paracephalosaurs. I know a YouTuber who's like, Paracephalosaurus, I forgot his name. Pterodactyl. And Stegosaurs. And gorilla. I used this for a project, so I glued the feet down to fabric, which was supposed to be like a zoo. But that's over with, so I took it out. You go in. Well, King Kong failed to defend Jane from the Tyrannosaurus Rex. And we have another Para. A mini T-Rex. I'll show in slow motion how it looks to go in. Stegosaurus. This is a really old Dilophosaurus figure, and they failed at making the crust. It's just one thing, so I'm gonna put that in. It's really old. Squirrel monkey, I think. Pachycephalosaurus. A Brachiosaurus, like Barack Obama. Brachiosaurus. Dinosaur version of Barack Obama. The baby Triceratops thing. I think it's a baby because they just don't have any horns. Or that may be the Protoceratops, like the Velociraptor's prey. We have a tiger. I think it's a Bengal tiger or Siberian tiger. That goes in. A toucan. Eating, but got eaten. Another of these things. Giant anteater. But gets eaten by a giant T-Rex. Dilophosaurus. Aww, it's a baby para. Now die. And pterodactyl. Whoosh. Okay. Stegosaurus. Snake. There's something that's clogging it. Still, it can go in. Red-eyed tree frog. Okay, there we go. The clog is fixed. It's like a landfill. That's what it's called. I forgot. And baby T-Rex. Oh, that's realistically colored, kind of like a vulture. In Brachiosaurus. In Para. In baby T-Rex. In Colossal form. Oh well. Brachiosaurus. And baby T-Rex for the cherry on top. And it gathers up right there. And the T-Rex can poop it out. Right here, so you can get it out besides making the T-Rex throw up. Here are 4 additional figures I like to add in. Even though T-Rex probably wouldn't eat this, it's going to eat the tree. Pine tree. in 1 second. A thing that caused Rexy probably to die in the next movie, which Rexy's gonna eat in revenge. Stegosaurs, the big figure, you can still eat it. And Rexy. Oh, that's not his name. I don't think that's his name. I forgot what his name was. What? He's not wanting to go in, but nope. He got eaten. Thing. A quote by the Gaming Beaver, the Hasbro T-Rex only has like 4 teeth. But the new Mattel T-Rex has like, I'm not going to count, it's going to take too long and waste a lot of time. But it has the accurate amount of the teeth that the one has in the movie. Okay, now let's see the Hasbro T-Rex battle the Mattel T-Rex. My baby! What? I don't care. It smells so terrible. The Mattel T-Rex has won, and to declare its victory, it's gonna poop on the Hasbro T-Rex. But the Mattel T-Rex is not done pooping, so it's a lot of diarrhea to go. Oh. Well, that's a lot of shysher. And that's all for today. Stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye.